Christmas tree. Turn him on. Round the Christmas tree.
That's almost over.
It's a Christmas tree party. Watch out for Billy Barty, rocking around the Christmas tree. A good old-fashioned way. Cool. He's a fireball this time.
I'm turning it on. I just push it real hard.
There you go. Good job.